Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can remove a sidebar from any post. So for example, we have this post. Let me open this. Okay, so here you can see we have two columns. In the first column, we have the content for our blog and in the second column, we have the sidebar. So we are going to remove this sidebar. Also, if you see here, we have the title for two times. So we are going to remove this first title and we will go with the another one. Okay, so first of all, you need to go on your website dashboard and go to edit post section. So here is the page from where we can edit our post. So in the left side, in the sidebar, you can see in the template section, we can choose our template type. From here, if you want to make your content full width, then you can choose this Elementor full width. Click on update and now check your post. So if you go here and check, then there is no sidebar is situated right now. So this is how we remove the sidebar. If you use this Elementor full width template, then your one title will automatically disabled. Okay, so this is how we enable our Elementor full width template in our WordPress site or in our blog post. So if this video is helpful for you, then make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.